Okay, hello all. So whoever wrote this Joy of Closure book, I think he really meant it, right? So because maybe he would have tried a lot of the languages and closure might have kicked in for him, and to me also like it's kicking in. So I'm just very happy, and that's so. So in my previous job, like yeah, now I'm out of work, but yeah, in my previous job, like what happened was like I'm a backend developer, but they forced me to go what to say learn React, and to learn React you need to have a backend, right? So that you can hit APIs, blah blah blah, and all those stuff. And for that, what I just did was like okay, like I just why can't I just code a no configuration backend? Like it's a database slapped with APIs and it's written in Clojure. Okay, so when you run it, you'll just have an instant backend. So that's how it is. And so yeah, what to say? Like I coded it, and so in this there is a function. Like okay, like there is a function. Okay, okay. Let me just say like okay, there is a function that fetches all data from a table. Or so okay, so this was it. I'll just uncomment it. So I'll just uncomment it. So this was it. Okay. So, but just look at the lines of code it has. Like that's the thing because what to say? Records needs to be fetched. Okay. Let me just show a small demo. So I think it's running. Things are running. Okay, so okay. Like let me just comment this out and show a small demo. Right. So okay. So maybe this demo could fail, right? But then I'll just explain the theory if the demo fails. Okay, so I don't know. In Mac M1 these days, it's taking a lot of time for LeninGen to load. I don't know why. So maybe they sent a command to my computer to slow it down or something like that. I'm not sure. Okay, fine. Okay. So yeah. So now let me just look at the health of my yeah, right. Okay, health is okay. Let me just load a backup. So yeah, I'm just loading a backup file, so I'll just get users. Oops, yeah, now there is no users. Okay, I just need to load some stuff. Okay, so okay, so I just did it. Now if I just hit users, I just get users. Now I can just pass a query, right? So like a search query. Okay, so if I just put okay, like something AR, you're getting my name and my friend's name. Okay, so and what to say, I can along with this, I can say like okay, like sort equals name and then what to say okay and order equals okay. So now yeah, my friend's name comes and then what to say, then my name is there, right? And then with this I can just say like okay, like what to say, like and uh page is equal to 1, and then I can just say like uh per page is equal to 1. So then only my friend names, I just get my friend name. If I go to the second page, okay, like okay, wait a second. Okay, okay, yeah, sorry. Per page is 1. Okay, so let me just go to the second page, right? And then I just get mine. Right? So you just have the search, right? So let me uncomment this. So you just have what to say, search, right? Order, and then ordering of records, and then pagination of records. Okay. So all these looked as a ISO to me. Okay, so like okay, why can't I do something like this one? Okay, so let me just explain with the architecture diagram, right? Okay, so okay, the handler, that is actually the index over here. Okay, like let me just put like handler. Okay, yeah. So this had like, okay, a search module that came routed via this DB module. Okay, this DB did functions with the database like CRUD operations. Okay, so that's the thing. And then I just had ordering. Okay, so and then I just had this page nation. Okay, so that's how things went. So yeah. So but then this doesn't look right. Okay, just getting this through DB and coming to handler didn't look right. Okay, so I just made everything separate. So DB just handled the CRUD. I think it now just handles only the CRUD. Apart from that, it handles nothing. And there is a search, ordering, and pagination. So depending on the parameters passed, each one of these modules either get triggered or just stays inert. Okay, so stays inert means it does receive a call, but it just when it finds that there is no parameter passed or like the parameters, for example, the pagination is nil, this model just returns all records. Okay, so that's the thing, right? So that's how I just did. But the thing is, look, um there is two things like, okay, like okay, one is there are things like ops. Okay, like let's say, like if I just put like health. Okay, so this thing queries about this ing's, what to say, like operations. Maybe you need to delete a table, you need to create a table or something like that. Okay, there is no create a table because table gets created on the fly in ng, but you need to do some other operations. So that's the thing. Maybe add a column to all records and all those stuff. So you need to do that, right? So that's what this ops did. And but then this API did dealt with the CRUD and all these stuff like searching, blah 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 blah, and all those stuff, fetching one record and all those stuff. Okay, so that's the thing. So there is two stuff, and what to say, like, and if I just keep on including libraries upon libraries over here, it's going to be too much. So I just thought we just need to separate into ops API handler and ops handler so that these libraries could be included to this API handler. Okay, so that's what I just did. Okay, so now this API handler has this DB, but of course, DB is also included now in this too. Right? So wait, it is also included in this too, but maybe I'll get rid of that maybe one day. Right? So that's the thing. So okay. I don't know why this is not getting connected to this one. I am not sure. Right. So, oops. Okay. Right. Yeah. I think now it's been connected, but I don't know why it's not perfectly connected. So that's the thing. Okay. So right now, yeah, DB is being included over here, but maybe in the future it should not be. Okay. So that's the thing. And okay, all these libraries, what to say, like it just comes via another stuff called API, and then that's it. API has a method called index, and that's been included in handler. So when I just do that, look at the code, like, okay, like let me just reduce this, right? So from this it just went to here, and this is less of a ISO to read, right? So at least in the handler part. So this is less of an ISO to read. ISO, okay, that's what I just mean. Okay. And then you just have this API handler over here, and you're just having this. Okay, so that's the thing. And yeah, so this is a little bit better. So now what I can just do is like I can just go and do the very favorite operation of developers to delete code. Like you refactor stuff and you delete code. Right? Make it readable and make it simpler. Right. So I don't know why it's uh given like search stuff in users. Okay, over here. I think it should be over here, but yeah, whatever it is. So yeah, so this is here, and now I can just delete all these libraries, right? So that's the thing. So yeah, of course, DB has been included over here, but uh, the thing is, like in future, it should go off. Like only in handlers it should be there, and so it should be like okay, like now it's like DB, right? So today it's like this, right? And let me just make it small, and let me just put it like this. Okay, like maybe like this. Okay, right? But in future, it should be like okay, like this one. Okay, you do have the handlers. The DB gets oops. The DB gets moved over here, and what to say? This one gets deleted, and the DB is being included over here. Oops, not this line. I need a solid line, and then it also gets included over here, right? So that's how things should go, right? I don't know why in this tool I need to move stuff to, so that's how it should be, right? Yeah, that's about it. So this architecture looks far better to me than this one, right? So that's the thing, and this one right now looks far better to me than this one, right? So yeah, anyway, tell your comments like okay, this is architecture and this is kind of look, there are three things. One is fact, values, and procedures. Okay, so um, you can't argue with facts, but with values and procedures, yeah, there can be infinite number of arguments. So that's the thing. So yeah, think what feel free to say what you think about this architecture. Either it's good, bad, what to say, it could be done better or something like that, so that like the world can learn like what is the right stuff. Okay. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. Until we meet in next video. Bye.